I am on my way to the park and we are going to have some shenanigans, so let's go. It is a nice day out today. It's probably going to be crowded. Wow, yeah, there's like hardly anyone here. It amazes me because this park is really nice. Not going to complain though. Wow, it's so pretty. It's a gorgeous day right now. It's gonna be a little bit toasty in my car, but I have a fan, so that's good. Gonna need it. Privacy. Well, I am done working, so it's time to go for a little walk and maybe go look at the creek. The last time I came here, the little beach was like completely flooded with water, so let's see if the water has receded. The water has definitely receded a little bit. It's not completely overflowing. I have this whole little creek beach to myself. It's so nice. It's so magical. It's actually really cool how some of it is like kind of washed out with water. What a great day. I just wish I didn't have to go back to work tomorrow at 7 a.m. Muddy. Oh. That didn't work. I hate litter bugs. Ah, undies. More undies. Okay, back to the car, and then I'm going to the gym. Time to get swole. I'm off to the gym. I'm gonna plug in my phone, and then I'll be there in like 10 minutes, and hopefully I'll have enough charge to listen to music while I exercise. Oh no! That's the way I was gonna go. Dang it. Guess I'll try another way. So I left my water bottle at the park, so it's actually kind of a good thing that I had to turn around because I'm about to pass it again so I can go back and get my water bottle. My emotional support water bottle that I literally feel extremely anxious if it's not next to me, like, at all times. So that's actually kind of crazy. So I guess it worked out that that road was closed. I'm really glad I, realized it before I got to the gym, because I would have been really upset. Okay, well, about to go get it. I left it on the little beach that I was hanging out on. There's that way. And I remember as I was making my videos, I was like, oh, don't forget your water bottle, it's over there. And I did. Back on my way to the gym again.